So I broke my multimeter last night. Let's zoom in on that. Well, twice actually. The first time I put a little bit too much voltage, or rather amperage, through the terminals here. I was running it in DC milliamps mode here, and well, I'm pretty sure what killed it is when I had a dead load, which means the battery that I was using, a 9-volt battery, touched both leads, and it eventually melted the fuse. So, first time I broke it, I melted the fuse. Fortunately, this multimeter had a spare fuse inside the casing here, so I was able to open that up, take a new fuse, and get this working again. That lasted a whole, let's say, I don't know, 2 minutes, because when I finished cleaning up, I took it back to where I store this, and, well, kind of hurt my thumb, and ended up smashing the LCD here. So, unfortunately, as you can see here, half the screen does not work at all. And I'm so sad. I'm so sad by that. But, you know, technically speaking, I can still use it for just the most very basic of, does this touch or not? There you go. I should get a reading. Well, you can watch the decimal point at least. Just as a simple resistance test. It's the diode feature. Let's see if that'll do anything. It probably do nothing. I got no diodes handy. But, So, long story short, I don't have a working multimeter anymore. I got a half-working kind of broken thing, but it's just not good. So what I ended up doing, just to have some tool around, I built this little continuity tester. It's a very simple circuit, and when I touch these two leads together, it beeps. So I can put that between 2 points that are connected. For example, let's... sorry, this is difficult to do with only one hand. You know, I'm just gonna put this down. Sorry about this. Okay, so I got one lead on there, and I'll touch this here. I don't think the metal's exposed. I think there's paint on it, but there you go. You can use it for measuring a 2 points touch. Very basic sort of thing. You know, I have a tool again. I have something I can work with. You know, because I don't have a working multimeter, I can at least test to see if points touch each other, which is fairly important. This one never ever made a sound, so you know, I made this because I want something that makes a sound. Circuit is like extremely simple. I literally took a casing that you use to hold a pair of batteries, and I modified it so that it's, in one half the casing, it holds the single battery that I used, a simple AA. And on the other side, whoop, they're touching. It's one of these little speakers, these simple little buzzers here, one of these guys here with 2 leads on it, and a resistor, just to kind of lower the voltage and, you know, so we don't blow it up. Okay, so very simple circuit, and then I stole some leads off of well, I don't know what it was, but I found some tool with some leads on it. These alligator clips. I stole these off the end. I soldered them to the wires on this casing. Kind of made this work circuit-wise. The soldering job was absolutely terrible. You know, I'm not even sure why I'm showing you guys, but whatever. Bad soldering job. The point is, I have something now that I can, you know, I have the alligator clips on it, and I can do very simple sort of testing with it, and that's better than nothing. Here it is sealed up. You know, pretty unassuming, just a little mysterious black box with these 2 leads sticking out of it. I probably should have added a switch, but I wanted it to be simple. Ha ha ha!